With native CAD downloads in over 100 file formats and versions, Nason has made it easier than ever for customers to configure, preview, and download 3D CAD models of their popular products. From Nason's homepage, click Configure. Select your product. Then use the drop-down options on the left to configure your exact specifications. Meanwhile, the configurator generates a part number and 3D preview of the model on the fly. On the right, you can move, zoom, and rotate your part to see it from any angle and in up-close detail. When you're happy with your part, click the CAD Download tab, and then choose Generate CAD. Nason's product configurator offers over 100 different file formats and versions, so you can download a native CAD file. You can also choose to attach a 3D PDF datasheet that includes all the product and manufacturing data needed to forward to your purchasing department. Finally, click Start Generation. Now you can test the 3D CAD model directly in your design, with all the product and manufacturer's information still embedded in the download for a simple path to purchasing. For more great parts, visit nasonptc.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn how your company can provide instant 3D CAD models in the native formats your customers need.